Amazon sellers, there is some really huge news. We've received notice that Amazon will not be accepting products into FBA until April 5th for what Amazon is calling non-essential items. This is huge news for you. If you have already sent products in, they may get rejected. Amazon may accept it and not give you credit for it. We have no idea what is actually going to happen. And if you've been an Amazon seller for more than a day, you know that Amazon makes tons and tons of mistakes. We have no idea, at least not yet, what an essential item is when it comes to Amazon. Now, it's also going to be a major problem if you have products that have already been shipped in. Maybe you have a container, maybe you have 10 containers of products going into Amazon's FBA, manufactured in China, Thailand, wherever, and the container is now arriving. And what are you gonna do? We don't know yet. But this is something that Amazon sellers have to deal with. Every single Amazon seller out there, if you know more than what we're talking about here, please scroll down right now to the comments, right now, and scroll and add to the community of knowledge that we can share with Amazon sellers all over the world. Also, whatever issues you're facing, we are here for you 7 days a week. We are here from you from coast to coast. If you have more information, scroll down right now and put a comment and write, "Hey CJ, hey Arthur, I love your videos." I'm looking at Arthur right now. This is what you need to know. This is what I see. Also, I anticipate there are millions of sellers out there who did not receive the email from Amazon about this new FBA policy. So if you haven't shipped items in, check to make sure. You may want to start doing merchant fulfilled, and we will keep you updated as we learn more. And again, please share what you know by scrolling down right now and sending us a note of what you see from the front lines of being an Amazon seller. Thank you for joining me. We'll keep you updated as quickly as possible.